Hazrat of bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, a man from the tribe Himyar killed a man from the enemies and intended to take his belongings. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu prevented him, for he was the emir of that detachment. Hazrat of radiyallahu anhu came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and informed him of it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu, why did you not give him the seizure? He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I thought it was too much for him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, give him that seizure. Hazrat Khalid radiyallahu anhu then passed by Hazrat of radiyallahu anhu. He tugged Hazrat Khalid's chador and said, haven't I got it done by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam what I said to you? Hearing it, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got displeased with him and said, O Khalid, do not give him now. O Khalid, do not give him now. Are you going to abandon the commanders appointed by me? And your example is like the one who took the camels and goats for grazing. He then grazed them. Then the time of watering them approached, so he drove them to a pond. They drank the clean water, leaving the turbid water. Are the clean things for you and residues for the commanders? Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4545.